Ever wanted to create animations like this?
In a magical forest lived Sparky, a young dragon. One morning, Sparky woke up with a terrible toothache. Poor Sparky flew through the forest in pain. Suddenly, he saw a treehouse. There stood Emily, a kind girl who wanted to help. Emily peeked into Sparky's mouth and explained how sugar can hurt teeth and why brushing is important.
Looks amazing, right? Guess what? I made this entirely using AI. No expensive software, no animation experience, just a few simple steps that anybody can do. So in this video, I'll show you how to create stunning 2D animations from scratch with the help of AI. Google has recently launched a new AI model called VO3, which can automatically create videos by generating visuals, voiceovers, and sound effects from just a text prompt. Since it has just been launched, it's not available in all the countries and access is still limited. That's why we are going to create the 2D animations from scratch in this video. Also, you get complete control over the process where you can control the settings to match the exact vision. So make sure you watch the video till the end to learn how to do it. I'm Brian from FC Learners and let's get started. We're going to create a 2D animation video in just 5 parts. The first part is to develop a story and create the characters. In this part, we'll start by getting an idea for our story. To develop the story, we are going to do 2 steps. The first step is to get the idea for our story. Now, if you already have a story in mind, go ahead and skip to the second step. If not, just follow along. We are going to use an AI tool which will help us come up with creative story ideas and develop a compelling story for our animation video. This tool was developed by our website learners team to help creators like you. To get started, just click the link in the description and it will take you to this tool. Once you're here, just enter the theme or topic for your story idea. I'm going to type fantasy, then click create content. And in just a few seconds, it'll generate a variety of story ideas. You can go through them and pick the one you like. I like this one, so I'm going to copy it. Now that we've got our story idea ready, let's go to the second step, which is to generate the story. In this step, we'll come up with a complete story for the idea that we generated. Here's what you need to do. First, click on the back button to return to the main page of the tool. Now look for 2D animation story generator. And this is the tool that will turn our basic idea into a complete scene by scene story. Here we need to paste the story idea we just copied. Once that is done, just click on create content. And in just a few seconds, you'll have a detailed story outline ready to use. Each scene is clearly outlined, making it easy to create your animation video. Now let's copy this outline. Alright, now that we have our story outline ready, let's go to the second part of this video, which is to generate the images for your animation video. To do that, click here, go to AI Image Generator, and click Storybook Image Creator. So to create the images, click here. You need to enter your story's title and the entire story. So first, paste the story we just copied. Then let's add a little title for our story. And click Create Image Description. Now this will take you to a page where the tool will automatically create the image descriptions for each scene in your story. If you scroll down, you'll see that it has generated the descriptions for all the images shot by shot. We can use these descriptions to create the images, but before generating the images, we can also customize a few settings. For example, you can see that we have different image styles here. Go through these styles and select the one you prefer. I'm going to choose the anime manga style. Next, we have the number of images where you can set the number of variations you need for each page of your storybook. If you select 4 here, it will provide you with 4 image variations for each page of your storybook. I'm going to go with 1 variation. Let's just check and see how short one is generated. As you can see, the image is using the prompt we gave with the elements and the style we described. Amazing, right? If you want to download the single image, you can click here. Now click Generate All Images. And you can see that the tool has generated the images for each scene in our story. The images look good and they align perfectly with the story. Now to download all the images, click here. And it will be downloaded as a zip file to your computer. And that's it. We have successfully created the image for our storybook. Let's move on to the third part of the video, which is to convert these images into a video. And this is where everything starts to come together into a real animation. To do this, we'll be using a website called Helio AI, and this tool helps us to easily convert our images into a smooth video sequence. So to convert our images into videos, we are going to do 2 steps. The first step is to create an account on Helio AI. For this, just click the link in the description below, and it'll take you to the Helio.ai website. Now click on sign up, then click on continue with Google. And that's it. In just a few clicks, your account is created. Now that your account is created, let's move on to the second step, which is to convert our images into videos. To start converting our images into videos, click on the create button. And here we need to upload our image. Let's drag and drop the first image we generated. Once the image is uploaded, we'll need to add the story to match the visuals. Since we already have a story generated for our images, but not formatted for our video, we need to create more actionable story for the video as well. So to do this, go to GravityWrite and copy the story we generated. Then return to the dashboard and open the 2D video prompt generator. Now paste the story here. Now click on create content, and within moments, a complete actionable prompt for your video will be generated. Now let's use this prompt in Helio.ai. Now copy the first video prompt. Go back to Helio.ai and paste it here. For the model, select live option. Click here. And as you can see, within seconds, our video will be ready. And now to save your video, just click on the video preview. Then click on the download icon. And the video will be downloaded to your computer. In the same way, you can convert all the images into videos one by one. And that's it. We have successfully converted our images into videos. Now to make our video more story driven and engaging, we need the voiceover. So let's go to the fourth part of the video, which is to generate the voiceover for our video. To generate the voiceover, we are going to do 2 steps. The first step is to generate a narration script. To get a script for our narration, let's go back to GravityWrite. Now go to the 2D video script generator tool. And here we need to paste a storyline. So just go to this tab, copy the 2D animation storyline, and paste it here. Then click create content. And in seconds, the story narration for our video will be ready. Once you have generated the script for the narrations, let's go to step 2, which is to generate the voiceover for the narration. To generate the voiceover, just click the link in the description, and it'll take you to this AI tool called 11 Labs. Now this is the tool that will help us generate a natural sounding AI voice for our narration. To generate the voice, we need to paste the script here. So just go back to GravityWrite, copy the first narration, go to 11 Labs, and paste it here. Just click here and you will find different voices to choose from. You can play each voice and select the one you like.
Allow it to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
Once you have chosen the voice you want, click on Generate Speech.
In a magical forest lives Sparky, a young dragon. One morning, Sparky woke up with a terrible toothache.
And we have successfully generated the voiceover. You can download it by clicking here. In the same way, you can convert all your narration scripts into audio and download them to your computer. Alright, now that we have generated the voiceover, let's move on to the final part of the video, which is to edit the complete video. In this part, we'll merge all the videos we generated and add finishing touches to bring everything together beautifully. For editing, we'll use a website called Clipchamp, which is simple and user-friendly. To use this tool, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to the Clipchamp website. Once you're here, click on Try for Free. Now click Continue with Google and you will be directed to the dashboard. And just like that, your account is created. Super quick and easy, right? Now that your account is set up, let's start editing our video. To edit our video, we're going to do 3 steps. The first step is to arrange the video clips. To do that, click on create a new video. Now we need to upload all the video clips we created. So simply select all the clips and drag and drop them into the editor. Once all the clips are uploaded, click on the plus icon to add them to the timeline one by one. Play through the sequence and see how it flows. Everything should look great and move smoothly. Now that our video sequence is perfectly lined up and ready, let's move on to the second step, which is to add the voiceover for our video. We already have the voiceover narration ready. Now let's sync the narration with the video. To do that, now drag and drop the narration audio files into the media section. Next, add each section file to the timeline, making sure they match up with the right scenes. Now let's play the video and check how it is.
In a magical forest lived Sparky, a young dragon. One morning, Sparky woke up with a terrible toothache. Poor Sparky flew through the forest in pain.
And the visuals align perfectly with the voiceover. To make it even more engaging, let's add some background music. Let's move on to the third step, which is to add the background music to the video. And to do that, click on the link in the description and it will take you to Pixabay. This is the website which will help us download the music for free. So to download the music, go to the music tab and search for a suitable track. For example, I'm searching for kids music and you will get a variety of soundtracks to choose from. Just browse through the options and select the one you like. Once you've selected the music, click download and the music will be downloaded to your computer. To add the background music, import the downloaded music file into Clipchamp and place it on the audio track below the voiceover timeline. Here, just adjust the volume of the background music to make sure it doesn't overpower the narration. Click on the background music track. Now click on audio and use the volume slider to lower the music slightly. Now that we have added the background music for our video, now let's play the video and check.
In a magical forest lived Sparky, a young dragon. One morning, Sparky woke up with a terrible toothache. Poor Sparky flew through the forest in pain. Suddenly, he saw a treehouse.
Doesn't it sound amazing? The visuals, background music, and the narration all work perfectly together. Now that we have successfully added the narratives to our video, we can finally export this video. To do that, click on the export button. Now choose 1080p for the best quality. Then rename the file by clicking on the pen icon and enter the name for your animation video. I'm going to leave it as 2D animation video and finally click save to your computer. And the video will be downloaded to your computer. So let's check the final video.
In a magical forest lived Sparky, a young dragon. One morning, Sparky woke up with a terrible toothache. Poor Sparky flew through the forest in pain. Suddenly, he saw a treehouse. There stood Emily, a kind girl who wanted to help. Emily peeked into Sparky's mouth and explained how sugar can hurt teeth and why brushing is important. Emily carefully cleaned Sparky's tooth and taught him how to use a toothbrush. Feeling much better, Sparky wanted to help other forest creatures learn about taking care of their teeth. Sparky and Emily visited their forest friends. They showed everyone how to brush and eat healthy snacks. Suddenly, the tooth fairy appeared. She was so happy with Sparky. As night fell, all the forest creatures brushed their teeth before bed. Sparky and Emily waved goodbye, promising more adventures.
Now that you've learned how to create awesome 2D animations with AI, why not share your creations on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and more? Now with GravityWrite's new social media AI feature, you don't have to manually upload your videos everywhere. It can automatically post your animations to multiple accounts like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all in one go. Just add your social media accounts and create a new post. Now add your content and publish it, and that's it. Alright, now it's your turn. Try out the 2D animation and drop your video in the comments. I'll pin the best video in the next 30 days. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.